You were so sweet. Yes, you were. You were so sweet. This morning, I'm going to have some leftover, that chicken that I got yesterday. I think I had 2 pieces left. I got a little bit of okra in there too. I'm going to fix a fried egg, and then this is some jalapenos. So that's what I'm going to have for breakfast. Now that looks wonderful. Fried chicken. Hi, Sammy. You know, they serve that in restaurants, right? Fried chicken and eggs. Yeah. With a little bit of okra for breakfast. Yum. Let's get this day started. Good morning. Of course, right when I turn on the camera, the dog next door is going to start barking. Anyway, I think I have van insurance news. Actually, I have van insurance. So I just could not accept the fact that Progressive couldn't find the van or couldn't insure it, or something just didn't add up. So I called them first thing this morning and got another guy. I told him, I said, now Sammy's gonna bark. Told the guy that, you know, I just can't believe that they can't insure this van. And I think the problem is, I gave him the VIN number and it shows up it's a G10, and it's not a G10. If you look at the side of the van, it says it's a 1500. So it's an Express 1500. And once I told him that, he was like, oh, so there's not a cage in it. There's no metal in between the front seats. I'm like, no, it's so anyway, he was able to figure it out, put it as a Chevy Express 1500. So anyway, I have insurance. Yeah. So now I need to go get it registered. So that's what we're going to do now. Got to drive to a whole nother town to get it registered. So got insurance, get it registered. I still hadn't aired up the tires. So I need to do that. And then maybe we'll take it for a spin this afternoon. I guess we shall see. Yeah, I don't want to go far right off the bat. Maybe down to the highway and then back or something. And then, like I said, little longer jaunts. Then I'll take it into town and get it washed and get the oil changed. So looking forward to that. Driving it and using it to go. I want to go get some things for the house that I want to get done. And so that will be easier to put it in the van instead of the camper, instead of the camper. So, all right, let's go. Road trip. Road trip. Let's go get my tags. Get it registered. That rope I got the other day out of the van, I put it right here. I've had such a hard time finding a level spot, and I'm so level right here. So I just thought, I'm going to put this down there, and I'm going to back right up to it, and I'll be level. All right, let's hit the road. Let's go get some paperwork. You want to? Okay. I have about 8. Oh, gotta cut that mesquite. Every time I go by there, it scratches. Got to get to that. I think I got about a 45-minute drive to go get my tags, get the van registered. So, get that done today. Mark that off the list. My list is getting longer and longer instead of shorter, but oh well. What I always say, I got all the time in the world. Huh, Sammy? My little girl. I'm just saying this out loud. The camera was still rolling. I just cut out some stuff because it was like blah, 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 blah. Anyway, I've been here over a week now and I've yet to stop to get my mail. So I need to do that too. That's on my list. I did get Sammy's food cooked this morning, so that's done before it gets hot today. I think it's supposed to be 85 today. So when I get back, I will put on some shorts. I need to get those out because, yeah, it's going to just be that hot from here on out, I think. Well, it'll get even hotter, but for as long as I'm going to stay. So anyway, it's okay, baby girl. It's okay. She just doesn't like driving anymore. Poor baby. Poor baby. She just don't like it. Looky there. There's some bluebonnets. Yeah. Just random in front of this old dilapidated building. But they're pretty, aren't they? Alright, let's go. Let's go get my tag. Okay, dokie. Got it. Got it. Got it. Oh, and I didn't even lock the door, huh, Sammy? Were you keeping it safe? Huh? Were you keeping it safe? Yeah. Alright. Fast trip. About a 45-minute drive for a 10-minute. Get a paper in 10 minutes. Alright, everything's legal. Yippee, the van's legal. Roadworthy. Well, not roadworthy. That part we still got to determine, huh, baby? Yeah. Alright, can I do? No, I shouldn't do a U-turn if there's a double yellow line, huh? Let's not do that. Alright, back to the house. It's really weird that we don't have to have state inspections anymore. I just saw a place where you can get your vehicle inspected, and it's like, we don't have to do that anymore. Yippee! Well, I'll pull in here and get diesel before I leave. Okay, looks like the last time it was not inspected, but registered was in 2019, I guess. So, gotta take that off. That's hard to reach. I don't know that I'm gonna be able to reach it with the camera. I'll be back. We're legal now. Woohoo! I need to clean these windows, put the air in the tires. Yeah. Let's do that. It's starting to get hot, so we'll see how much I can get done. Woohoo! Got some windshield wiper action happening. Clean the windows, clean the windows. Ooh, look at those windows. Yeah. Got some 20-year-old glass cleaner that I found under the sink. Yeah, still works. Bottles all hadn't disintegrated yet. So anyway, washing the windows. I got the other side to do. I've done these and I've done the back, so I'm going to go do the other side. Yeah, this bottle leaks pretty bad, but oh well, it works. Nasty windows. Nasty windows. I love listening to that bird, though. Birds. Bird on a wire. Pretty birds. They're like, well, shut up and listen then. Okay, that is all I'm going to do on the van today is get the windows cleaned. That took a little while. Just had to keep spraying them over and over and over and new paper towels. So I am not going to pull out my air compressor because that's a job in itself until in the morning. And to get down here and check these tires, and I know the front ones need air. And I'm about done for the day. And I gotta get this video uploaded for today. So tomorrow we're gonna check the tires, put air in them, and then go for a ride tomorrow. Yeah, and hopefully vacuum out the van because I want Sammy to go with me too. But if not, if I don't get that far, then I'll vacuum it after I get back because I'm fixing to go on a road trip. So anyway. I definitely want to drive it tomorrow. So, but I guess that's all for today. I'm going to go upload this video and get it posted. So I'll see y'all in the next one.